Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I thought it would be fun to show you guys this quick little no makeup look that's simple, easy, just a couple steps, and something that I've been doing while I've been working from home. It just kind of makes you feel like you have a nice solid face of makeup in case you see anybody, which you shouldn't be because you should be at home right now, but it just takes me a couple minutes. It's what I do before I get ready to work from home. Well, I do actually work, no quotation marks needed, but so I've been working from home every day, and this is just what I've been doing. If you've seen my vlogs, you've kind of seen this routine already. But it's just quick, easy, simple, and it's just a perfect, easy, natural, makeup-free makeup look. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. It should only take a couple of minutes to do this. So subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment letting me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching. So the very first step, I already did this morning, was put on some moisturizer. My favorite moisturizer is the Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer from Origins. I just think this is super... I have oily skin kind of, so it's just like super moisturizing without making my skin look oily, and I just really enjoy this stuff. But use the moisturizer of your choice. Okay, so the very first step is like the key ingredient to this whole thing, and it just really is one of my favorite products of all time. So this is the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh cream. This has been on my channel for the past couple of years that I've been doing YouTube. It was one of my first like favorite things that I've featured on here. So it blurs imperfections, enhances, brightens, adjusts to your skin tone, which is really cool, smooths, hydrates, has SPF 30 in it, and 0 oils and other heavy ingredients. So I love this because it's just light on the skin, and I have like kind of red blotchy skin, so it kind of will even it out. And so I actually have 2 shades. I didn't realize I had 2 shades, but this is 110 in light medium and 120 in medium sheer, or in just a medium. So they're both kind of sheer. They have, oh sorry, they're getting everywhere. I have kind of gotten a little bit darker since I've been home because I've been laying out, but I'm just going to take that on this Morphe M439 brush, and what I'm going to do is just kind of do a thin layer. It just takes a very tiny bit, and you can see this is the lighter shade. It just kind of blends in with my skin and makes it look just so natural, and it only takes a tiny bit, so it lasts you a really long time. And I do apologize about the lighting. This is more of just like a get ready with me video anyway. I don't want to waste any, so I'm gonna try and put it on my face. So yeah, this should be enough for all my face. And I'm using a brush because it makes it easier to take a long way. And I normally will use a sponge to do my regular makeup, but I've just found this works for me, and I like it because I've been laying out by my pool and it stays on while I'm doing that, and it also works as a sunscreen. Whoa, what just happened? That just like jumped out of my hand. Next up is brows. I'm normally pretty gentle with my brows anyway. I don't really love a heavy brow, so what I'll do is I'll just brush them out. Any spoolie that you have will do. And if you have like naked spots in your brows, I would just advise taking a brow pencil and just lightly filling those in. Don't like outline the bottoms like some people do, just let them be, and just kind of fill in any naked spots that you might have. So that's just what I'm doing. So that's literally all I'm gonna do with my brows, literally like 4 strokes. But what I do like to do is use a brow gel. This is the Gimme Brow from Benefit in the shade 3. So I'll just put a little bit of this. This just kind of makes your brows look a little bit together, but also a little bit wild. So it just kind of brushes them up. I love a good, I call it like the model brow. You know how like models have those really big, just natural, fluffy, beautiful brows? Those are like my favorite brows. I prefer a big natural brow. This is one of my favorite things I've ever had. It's the Maybelline Master Contour Palette. I'll link all these products down below, and what I love about this is it's affordable and it's like a 3-in-1. I love the blush. It's like just this perfect bubblegum pink. So I use the blush on the regular, but I'm in Alabama for the next couple weeks, so I'm using the bronzer on this too, and I just take a fluffy brush and just go lightly with it. So it just kind of gives you a little bit of color, but not too much. So you can see like this is the bronze side and this is the natural side. So my face has been a little bit bloated since I've been here because I haven't been eating the best. So I just kind of take it and just lightly contour around my face, so nothing too crazy. And then we're gonna lightly go over with some blush, just kind of give you like a natural color. But you can see you don't really have to do this step. I just like blush, and I just think I have like a rosy face anyway, so this just kind of makes it look a little bit more, it's just kind of like a natural look when you use it over a BB cream is what I'm trying to say. And then I blend it out with that first brush. Last actual face step that I've been using, I go in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. You don't have to do this, but I just take a very tiny bit and just put it on my nose to kind of give me a little bit of just a little shine, and then also a little bit at my lower cheekbones. We're gonna use something else for the upper cheekbones actually. So this just kind of gives you like lighting where you need it under your eyes, and I don't use a lot, so I just literally just use it under my eyes. Since we aren't using like creams, you do need to use a brush to kind of make sure it melts in with that BB cream, or else it'll look kind of chalky. Sorry, I didn't mean that was the last step of the face. This is the last step. I go in with a tiny bit of Vaseline to give me a little bit of a natural glow, because it goes well with that BB cream, and it just looks kind of natural, like a natural highlight, and so that's why I like it. I use Vaseline for everything. I use it to take my mascara off. I use it every night before I go to bed on my lips. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put this on my lips now. That's what we were gonna do anyway. And we're gonna take a very light amount of this bronzer that we use and put it in the crease of our eyes, just to kind of deepen it up, to give you a little bit of a contour, but also it's not dark enough to be unnatural looking, you know what I'm saying? So it just kind of gives you a little bit of shape. And then I'm also going to take this brush again and just kind of dab over it to make sure it's like blended in and not too chalky. Then I'm going to curl my lashes, because I just feel like either way it's never a bad idea to curl your lashes. Just do one easy step of mascara. This is the Climax mascara from NARS. Sorry, my mind blanked. And so I know you may be thinking, you can tell I'm wearing mascara, but I just do one light coat on my natural lashes, and then I'm gonna put a tiny bit on the bottom lashes as well. If you don't want to do mascara, you totally don't have to. Also, if you have a brown mascara, that would look a lot more natural than black, but all I have with me is black. I'm just gonna take this sponge and just dab over that Vaseline and everything, just to make sure our face is nice and blended and not chalky. That's just the one thing you want to avoid, is any chalkiness. My hair is wet because I took a shower, but I also sprayed some It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. And then I'm also going to take some KMS Tame Frizz. These are like two of my favorite hair products. They just make your hair so smooth and soft. I feel like no matter what kind of hair you have, it just, oh, and they smell good. Okay guys, so that was my quick and easy no makeup look. So you're still looking all natural, and it's perfect for just a day working at home. But I do my makeup like this actually quite a lot, and I will actually wear it places. So I think it just looks easy, natural. It's kind of like the model off-duty look, but makeup, so not outfitting. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. Bye!